there, welcome to Unboxing Canada. Again with a new box. I was just removing the address sticker. So, guys, please share, subscribe, like, so I can continue with this. Otherwise, I'll just stop. All right, so let's open this box here. All right, so this is another box from Unboxing Canada. Again, we have this papers all around here. There, what is in the box? Whoa, that's cool. That's a wireless charger. You can take a picture of me with this. Don't worry about the box, just me. I'm just kidding. All right, so this is the box. And it's a fast and convenient wireless charging. So wireless charger pad, tips, whatever, D-charger, whatever. Okay, so let's open this. Things from here. You know what? I'll just use the scissor just to open it from this side. Oh, that's cool how it looks. Amazing. That's how it looks. Cool. See, that's small like that. So that's fast charger. That's how it is. And it's Samsung and it's called fast charger. So we'll just put this aside here and see what's inside the box. See, inside the box here is the guide again. Quick start guide and what is that? The plug. Yeah, that's the plug. Power plug. There it is. And the wire is here. Just plug it in and start using it. So I like this box. Okay, so this is done. Put it aside here. And what else is inside the box? I see there's something blinking. I think that's just belong to the box. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment below, share, subscribe, like, so we can continue closing the boxes. I mean, open the boxes. You can close the box. Why it's not closing? Yeah. So we can continue with a new box every now and then. Hasta la vista.